How to make your first $100,000 as a marketer without paid ads. After generating multiple six figures organically through Facebook, I've noticed that so many people don't even get the basics of selling, so here's some of the fundamentals that I've learned since being on this journey. Let's be honest, people will not give you what they value, like time and money, if you're not actually giving any value to them. If you're trying to sell and you are not providing any valuable content, then chances are you're not making any money. Try doing the opposite. And if you're not sure what valuable content is, teach, educate, and inform. These are all forms of value. If you are any good at cooking, then put out a video showing how you can cook your own food. If you are a travel junkie, then share some of your travel tips. Just choose a topic and give out free value. Always be yourself. We've all heard the quote, people buy from people they like, know, and trust. Start sharing your journey and what you're up to. Make it a little personal. People love seeing other people's lives on display, which is why social media is such a big thing. You might not think you have anything special about yourself or your life. For example, I'm in front of a computer screen 8 to 12 hours a day or more, sometimes even 16 hours. But you really do. It helps your prospects get to know you, and the more relatable you are, the more money you'll make. Be honest, if you are doing things organically like I do, and if you are an honest and a trustworthy person, then people will start talking good about you. Integrity and honesty really does go a long way in this business. And make sure you show up consistently. This puts trust on you. People need to know that if they have a question, they can rely on you getting back to them with an answer. The key to social media is engagement. You want your content to be seen. If you are sitting on your ass waiting for people to engage on your content, then you are doing it wrong. You want others to give you when you are not willing to give to them. Engage with others and support their growth, and they will engage with you and support your growth too. Applying the valuable content that people share on social media will skyrocket your business. You can do it.